This is very amazing today. And, the best elevator in Norrköping that we haven't filmed yet. And I filmed the other one here. It's today on the 26th of April 2025. And it's original ASEA, but 1959 here. This is where 3 rides, of course. It's in Norrköping, Sweden, 4 floors. I love this smell here. It's Hantverkaregatan 20. Because these were posted day 20 grams, December 209.
It's not the serial number.
Oh, yeah, actually here.
Yeah. 78243047 is the serial number.
Ah, true. Sorry. I said it somewhere else, but yeah, it can be seen in the video.
Yeah. No. Nice. Built by Decorant, maintained by Colin.
3 is a spare part and B-Net.
Yeah. Here the light is working.
Ah, okay, great.
But not
The
yeah,
bottom light.
yeah, no, but at least one light. In the ground floor or first floor, both lights are broken.
I really love the sense of smell here.
Same here.
Now you can film it.
Yeah.
Through the platform.
That's